routine backup call turns into a complete nightmare when a handful of officers find themselves completely outnumbered by a mob of 20 aggressive teens.
So I'm gonna tell you.
This ain't a, oh, I'm gonna tell you, you're gonna get
Come on, what you doing?
It started as a basic report of a street fight, but some of these faces are already notorious in the area, and they were just waiting for a spark.
He just got school.
Who are you?
I'm his cousin.
You're his cousin?
I'm his cousin. I ain't do nothing. I just got over here. I just got
You can take me,
I got my phone and my stuff. Come on. Hey, no, come on. Go put your
You're
hands.
about to go to jail too.
Get on.
Chill.
Stop. Sir, stop. Please, sir, stop.
The moment the police arrive, the atmosphere shifts. No respect, no compliance. Within seconds, the crowd begins to circle the officers.
Hey, other back it up. Back it up.
We got nothing to do. We just game over here. I'm gonna get my sister. Get my sister the f up that ground. Or everything I'm a mistake the f one of your officers. Oh God, man.
Let's go.
Let me go.
Going, all right.
I ain't got no Wi-Fi, man. Let me go.
Where do you live at?
Oh, I don't stay out here.
Then get out of here now. Where do you live at? You work here. All right, kick rocks. Where do you live at? All right, kick rocks. That one.
Which one? Red shirt?
Hey, okay, I get down. Call my mama.
You can feel the tension building. Crowd is growing larger, louder, and way more aggressive. The officers are officially trapped in a danger zone.
Put your hands out of your pants. Where do you live at?
Don't touch me.
Where do you live at?
Huh?
Where do you live at?
Why you in my face, cousin?
All right, cool.
Nobody did to y'all.
I didn't do nothing to you. Stand
Yes,
up.
you did.
Because all I did was put you in cuffs.
Bro, give me the off this ground and get me out of these cuffs and take me home. See how y'all just dropped our body cam?
Calm down.
Ow!
Calm down.
If you don't live,
Chaos erupts as multiple suspects start screaming, resisting arrest, and physically pushing the limits. One wrong move here could trigger a riot.
Come get my phone.
Calm down.
Come in to call my sister.
I told you no.
It's right.
What is show me?
She want her phone.
No.
She ain't did shit, so why she can't get her phone?
Stand back.
Just ignore us, Trius.
Yeah, just ignore me.
We will.
Come to the garden. They got her in the car, bro.
Step away.
Hey, I'm on the phone. Stop talking. Why you keep talking?
Boy, just wait. Just wait till my daddy get out here, boy. I'm my soul. You get up behind this. Y'all look like
Man, bro, shut up, man. Chill out, bro.
You all right?
You welcome.
You all right?
Man, they just arrested him too.
I got one
Back up.
flashing hell, the chain.
Where do you? All right, you're about to come here and talk to me. On obstruction, loitering and prowling. I can do this all day long.
Last time you talked to me, you said you're gonna kill us all.
I didn't even say that. So when did you put words in my mouth for?
Do I know the rule? Yeah, I know the rule. I know the rule.
You just put me in handcuffs.
So absolutely, it's not a rule.
But let me know.
I'm not sure where you got that rule from, but that's not a rule.
I don't have to answer your question.
You're right. You don't have to answer my question. You can go in handcuffs. Get obstruction. Have a seat. We need more cars.
They have your phone. Do you live out here?
Yes.
Okay, what apartment do you live in?
No, I don't.
This is the way this works. If you do not live on this premises, then you are loitering and prowling, which means you are required to identify yourself to me. If you do live here, and I ask you your name and where you live, and you can't provide it, now you're required to quell my suspicions that you're not loitering and prowling, which is why you're in handcuffs in the back of my car. Now, what's your name? Cameron. I don't want you to be in handcuffs, but I don't want to take you to jail. I would much rather call your mom, come pick you up.
Hey, yo, hold up. Chill out.
The officers desperately try to hold the line, but dealing with a lawless mob mentality makes this an absolute nightmare scenario.
Yeah, for her to try to swing on the police. So as of right now, your daughter is about to go to the juvenile detention center. You can ask him questions.
Okay. Also, where's my son?
Who's your son?
Your little light
He in the car too.
He in the.
They tried to tackle. No, this is what happened. She was not fighting. They was jumping a boy, and then Rashad had jumped in, and I guess they tried to arrest him too. So that's when cars swung.
All right, we're gonna stop all this. So this is the way this works.
That's your daughter?
That's my daughter, and that's my son.
Your daughter is under arrest. She hit 2 officers.
What did the officers do to my baby?
They tried to tackle Rashad, and that's when she jumped on him.
Hey, all right. Do we have a Rashad in custody?
Her brother.
He's the person in charge.
So out of this whole fight, my daughter the only person going to jail?
Man, bro, she
As of
wasn't
right
even
now,
one
yeah.
fighting. Mom! I want to speak to my mother. Mom! Shut up, boy! I know you out there!
What you keep hollering her for me for? You don't think I can hear you? Do you not understand that I'm already pissed off? Because you told me that you was staying after school. So how the hell your ass end up pissed off?
He called me and said,
I don't give a when nobody called you and said that you supposed to be your ass at my house. So how
You got anything on you? Tell me now. A lighter? Where? Don't reach for it. Have you been around weed? Because your clothes reek of it. Back in the car.
What?
She got nothing in her boxers.
Just the joint?
Just the joint. She had weed on her.
No charges, right? No charges. Mom is right there. She comes over, release. No charges. No charges. Mom's on the way. Once she gets here, we'll release. Got it?
She had a joint in her shop.
Who does?
The female in that car.
Who's that one?
She's the one who threatened to kill us last time, but
So our officers responded to a fight that just occurred here. There's apparently 20 individuals. Just a large fight.
Yeah.
When they arrived on scene, a lot of people scattered.
Yeah.
A couple of people came running up, and a couple people ended up getting detained because they were trying to fight for themselves.
So I'm the new senior manager here, and you live on my property, you're going to get a notice to vacate. I already done got it from my ADO.
Have you met Linda? This is the property manager.
Good, good. I'm going to get with her.
Okay.
You hurting anyone, bud?
You okay? It slammed me on my head. My head is hurting. I fell dead on my body.
Do you want to go with EMS? Do you want him to go with EMS?
No, it's fine. Where y'all taking her to? Juvenile?
We're calling right now, so we'll let you know in just a minute. All right, love you too.
I'm the mother.
Her?
My son, y'all just called me.
Other vehicle.
Oh, everybody knows? What's going on? So what happened?
Big fight ensued and we showed up.
Who was he fighting? Nobody. Come on.
They faced the vehicle for me.
Turn over, CJ.
And so I'm not telling you what to do, but I think you need to make better decisions.
Multiple arrests are finally made, but the situation stays on a knife edge until heavy backup arrives to take back control.
Who he hang out with? He don't need
Nobody. You don't hang out with nobody.
He hang out with somebody.
No.
That's my son. He's not a problem child.
No.
Anything else?
Nope. Y'all are good.
Okay. Thank you.
Every black child is not a problem child.
I didn't
Just
say he
remember,
was.
I'm just saying how he acted. He was just walking and y'all put my child in handcuffs because he was walking.
So you believe your child over the police?
You damn right I'm cheating my child because I know what I read.
Okay.
What's your name and badge number anyway? We have a badge.
Officer Johnson, 6
Okay.
Let me get it.
I don't have a card actually.
Y'all gonna just go put him in handcuffs. And
Because
y'all ain't got a ring, so I don't. He wasn't fighting. He wasn't fighting.
You guys-
This was coming from my sister. He wasn't even fighting. She got him on the video camera. Coming to the house from coming from school. Uh-huh. Y'all is something else. Y'all better go to the ones that y'all need to go to.
Sit back in there. Can anybody tell me what's going on?
We got a call that there were about 20 children up here fighting. So when I showed up, everybody kind of scattered, and then he refused to identify himself, refused to give me his name, his birthday. So at that point it became instruction. He went to handcuffs to be detained. And that's why he was. We're not going to pursue those charges. We're going to release him to you.
What are the charges?
Loitering and prowling and obstruction. And obstruction. But
Do you know what your charges are? Listen, if I ask you one more question and you shake your head at me and you answer me with attitude, they can go ahead and take you because I'm getting sick of this. Why didn't you tell this man where you live at? This man ain't lying on you. I know your attitude. This man is not lying on you. You should not have came down here. It is a phone in the schoolhouse. that you can use, and several phones there. Somebody is coming to get you. You know that. And then you got an attitude.
Ma'am, thank you.
On my phone, not wrong. No, he arrested me because I didn't want to answer his question.
Okay, Camaro, what's wrong with that? Camaro, you are in somebody else's property. That don't work like that.
Finally, the matter was solved, and all the suspects are released. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this episode.